Hi, welcome back. In this video, let's see how to make keema matar in an instant pot.
Keema Matar is a North Indian dish made out of minced meat and peas. Food historians say that this dish originated from Mughal courts of New Delhi. This dish is also popularly known as Matar Keema.
Let's take a quick look at the ingredients.
Oil 3 tablespoons, Shahi Jeera 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, turmeric 1 teaspoon, 3 slit green chili, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coconut powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, a cup of green peas, 1 tomato diced, 1 onion diced, 1 pound minced lamb meat. The first step is to marinate meat. Add half of salt, add turmeric powder, add half of ginger garlic paste, add chili powder, add green chilies, and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now mix this well. Now I'm going to set this aside for an hour. Let's take a look at the IP settings. Turn on saute mode and wait for the inner pot to heat up. Once the pot is hot, add oil. Wait for the oil to heat up for a minute. Once the oil is hot, add Shahi Jeera. Fry it for a minute. And now add onions. Add salt. Add rest of the turmeric. Cook the onions until they are golden brown. After a minute, add ginger garlic paste. And cook it for a while. Cook the ginger garlic paste till the raw smell goes away. Once the onions and ginger garlic paste is thoroughly cooked, add green peas. And cook this for another minute. Now add marinated meat. And mix it thoroughly. Brown the meat in oil for 5 minutes and keep stirring to avoid burning at the bottom. Once the oil starts to ooze out, add tomatoes. And mix it well. And cook these tomatoes for another 2 minutes. Keep stirring it occasionally to avoid burning at the bottom. You can notice the oil has started to ooze out and the tomatoes are completely cooked. So I'm going to pressure cook the meat. For that, I'm going to add half a cup of water. And close the lid. Turn off saute mode, turn on manual and set to 6 minutes. Make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. I have let the pressure release naturally. Now I'm going to open the lid. You can see that the meat is cooked well. Now turn on saute mode and wait for a minute. After a minute, add coconut powder. Add Garam Masala powder. Add Corainder powder. And simmer this for 2 minutes. After letting it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, you notice the oil. Now it's ready to be served. Add coriander leaves and turn off Instant Pot.